There are major arteries that are being torn up. Epe that you mentioned, Epe is like little London. Epe is like little London.
All right, hello investors. I just felt like I should share my opinion to you as your number one, as your regular reader. You know, I always come to your screen to tell you, to give you the market update. Okay, because I'm a reader. I've seen the pace at which real estate is changing in Nigeria, especially in Nigerian market as of today. All right, if you are skeptical about getting property around Epe, Ibeju Lekki, I would like to tell you that you should take my word for it. Close your eyes and make that deal. Close that deal. Buy that property, because if you buy property right now in Lekki, in Epe, Ibeju Lekki, you'll be glad that you bought earlier, because the level at which property is appreciated at the moment is alarming. Okay, you can just watch these few clips about the Lagos State government, the Lagos State governor, what he said about Epe.
Hospitals are being opened, housing estates are being developed. There are major arteries are being torn up. Epe that you mentioned, Epe is like little London. Epe is like little London. All the major roads in Epe have been fixed. The 6-lane highway that we said from Eleko Junction to Epe, it's befitting of them. Right now, we're doing Braithwaite Road, we're doing Sodio Yakub Road, we're fixing the phase 2, phase 3 of the entire Epe network of road. If you go to...
if you are buying a piece of land now in Epe, if you see anyone selling at 1 million naira, please buy. 10 million naira, please buy. 30 million naira, please buy. We have different categories of land, and the development in that area and the title of that land document is what makes this price ranges. You understand? So I want to let you know that you don't need to sleep on this at all, because the kind of development that is coming to Epe, even in the next few 2-3 years, it will wow you, because you are looking at it. Probably you are thinking Epe is a wetland. I don't think Epe is a wetland. I've been there, all right, and I've had clients thanking me for introducing the land I've introduced to them in Epe, in Ibeju Lekki, because we have dry land in that area. Okay, and the title are fantastic. The title of those properties are fantastic. I have many of these properties in my channel. You want to click on the link below, I will attach some of this property. Go and check them out. Their title document is superb, and as the moment you are buying, your allocation is being done almost immediately. All right, recently we just launched the Itunu residential and commercial city. Itunu was introduced to us, to the market, around February this year. All right, and in the next 2 months, less than 2 months, from February, March, April, May, it got sold out. Now we have Itunu phase 2, which is the Itunu city, right in Ayetoro Epe. I went there and I was like, wow. If you see the massive road construction, it has been completed. There's no traffic. It's very close to any area you want to go in Lekki, in Epe. You drive, you have a stress-free driving on that road. Okay, and Itunu city promises you it's going to be a kind of real estate of a kind. Okay, it's a smart tech city. Just imagine you are living in a place of tech, like techie world, because our world is going techie. All right, and in Itunu city, you are going to have the lake view, you are going to have the mini course, the mini golf course, and so much more facilities coming to that area. It's bringing massive developments to Ibeju Lekki, and 5 minutes down after Ayetoro, you are approaching the Dangote refinery. Now, these are the things you want to consider while buying land. In the moment Dangote refinery kick off, oh my God, that property that you buy now, if you want to throw it back to the market, the kind of money you will get is going to like, even if not times 3 of what initial payment you made on it. So there are a lot of things coming to Ibeju Lekki. So I'm using this opportunity to let you know that you are making the right decision if you are keen in right now in buying land in Ibeju Lekki in Epe, because development is driving right there. Development is going fast in that area. You know, look at the free trade zone. Look at the what is it called now? Look at the new international airport coming to that area. You can just imagine, you know, like the slogan that people normally say, and it's true. You don't wait to buy property. You buy property and wait. Okay? You buy property and wait. Those that bought Itunu residential February, okay, at the price of 10 million naira. Now, Itunu residential now is being sold for 30 million naira. You can imagine which investment you want to make. Which bank will give you that return on investment in less than, let me say, 6 months. Okay? And this is another opportunity for you. You know, we have so many property. Is it the Gidi estate in Lekki? Is it the Wedi estate? You have this property. My channel is loaded. If you are looking for property, come to my channel or talk to me. If there's any specification or anywhere you want to land or your house, I've got good deals for you. That is the reason why I'm here. I want to help you achieve the dream, your dream property, effortlessly. And your documents will be sent to you anywhere in the world. You know, we do allocation virtually, we do physically. Whether you are in Nigeria or not, there's no difference about it. Okay, a lot of our clients are not even in Nigeria. They buy this property and we send their document across. We are partner with DHL. Okay, so you don't have any fear buying property in Lekki Epe. You know, you can buy to invest, you can buy to resell. This is the way people make money, cash flow. And I know you are smart. That is the reason why I'm bringing this property updates to you. Epe is fast appreciating. Leave it or take it. Take it from me. Epe is fast appreciating. You know what? The property you are buying now, for whatever amount is going for, and the good part is that this property on my channel, they are being sold at pre-launch price. Okay? Because at launch, the price will increase. So you want to key in right now. You want to use this opportunity, you know, to invest your fund. All right, a lot of people buy this property right now, and probably after 6-7 months they flip it over, they throw it back to the market, because you know the kind of return they will get. But you can also buy, you can build and resell, or be to live in, or be to rent as a cash flow. There's so much more you can do when it comes to buying land buying in Nigeria. Okay, so please don't sleep on this matter. All right, there's so much more you need to learn about Epe. Epe is a dry land. Okay, the kind of development coming there, international foreigners, they are coming to invest in Epe because of the road. You know, one thing that fosters development in any country is the good road network and electricity. You can just imagine, Epe light is constant. The street light is, you know, is, how do I call it? Is the street light is 100, is 247 on. So you don't have any reason not to invest in this property. Okay, anyway, if you have bought before, please keep buying. Please keep buying. You need to buy property more in Epe. There's no too much amount of land you need to own. This is how you make money. This is how you increase your portfolio income. Okay, you need to buy more. All right, so talk to me. Use the number on the screen, and I'll be glad to bring you here so I can subscribe to 1 plot, to 2 plots, to 1 acre. And know what? We have property that you can use for business. We've got commercial property. Even in Itunu City, we've got the residential and the commercial. All right, and the commercial is 1,000 square meter. You can just imagine you getting a 1,000 square meter in the city of Ibeju Lekki Epe Expressway. Oh my God, there is no business you would do that will not sell. All right, and part of the portion of the land allocated for commercials is almost sold, selling out. So you want to use the opportunity to key in right now. Please key into this property, and I'm glad that you are watching this video, and I want to appreciate the fact that you have watched to this particular time. You want this opportunity to subscribe to my channel, because I bring you market updates almost every day, okay, until you get this property. And I want you to invest early so I can start making money on real estate. There's so much more to make in real estate. So if you are that smart investor, or you are that kind of person, that type of person that want to build, and you know, and for personal or for business purpose, Lekki is the way to go. It's the new Lagos at the moment. So please subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.